Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be sharing with you the testing job opportunities and would also share with you a few of the referral email address. So there are various openings in Deloitte. So there are some steps that you have to perform before you reach out to the email address. So this is the referral email address. And what you have to do is you have to visit the Deloitte USI career website. So here is the link of that career website. And you have to share the job ID along with your resume. So there are various job opportunities and one or two more job opportunities are related to the automation testers as well. So if you're looking for the job opportunity for an automation testing, you can get the job ID from the website and you can send to this particular email address, which is the email address of a person who is there to refer you. And I would suggest you don't spam the email box or email inbox for this particular person because someone has come forward to refer you. So let's be polite with them and let's be professional with them. Send an email with all the necessary details like current CTC, expected CTC, notice period, current location, preferred location, how many years of experience you have, what skill set do you have. So that's how you can do it. So this is a website wherein you will get the job opportunities, collect the job ID, and send the resume to this email address. Then there is a requirement for SDIT. Location is Bangalore. Experience required is 2 to 5 years. So there are lot of opportunities for SDET these days. So they are looking for someone who can identify the issues and propose creative resolutions through test automation. Then someone who can follow QA automation practices, enable and validate high quality releases, and create and execute automation scripts across multiple platforms, desktop, mobile web, iOS, and Android. And the requirements are given 2 to 5 years of experience, strong coding skills with OOPS knowledge, experience in Selenium and rest assured. Good to have API testing and performance testing tools, and you can apply here. So I'll be putting this link in the comment section as well as in the description of the video. Then there is a requirement for QA engineer. Location is Noida, Sector 63. Working days is 5.5. Timings are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the requirement is for end-to-end manual testing expertise, someone who has got exposure to automation testing as well. There's the email address and there's a contact number. There's a WhatsApp number. And they are looking for 2 to 4 years of manual testing experience, mandatory experience in direct client handling, 1+ year, strong problem solving and communication skills, and bachelor's in CSIT or related field. Then there's a requirement for manual testers. Location is Vadodara, local candidates only, company is QA Craft. Position is manual testing. Shift timings would be 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. And it's a UK shift 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. And this is the website and this is the email address details that you can apply. Then there is a walk-in drive, which would be for the QA 1 to 5 years, UI UX designer 2 to 6 years. It would be on 6th of September 2025, and the timings would be 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And this is the venue. Then there is a walk-in drive again for QA engineers and SDETs, and it is on 5th of September. Date would be Friday. Timings would be 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And the venue would be in Gurgaon. So they are looking for someone who is having 1 to 3 years of QA SDET experience, and candidates with notice period greater than 30 days are not considered. So if you have 30 days of notice period, then you can apply. Then there's a requirement for Python automation test lead at Bangalore. Experience is 8 to 10 years. Location is Bangalore, and notice period will be maximum 30 days again. And you can send your CV at this email address. So these are a few of the job opportunities for testers, and these are also the job opportunities for testers in Gurgaon. Again, experience required is 2 to 3 years, and this is the email address where you can. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.